Hi everyone. I am back with another yapping session video. Um, Today I want to talk about what keeps me going. You know, Sometimes I do feel depressed, demotivated, or just not in the moment. Sometimes you just are tired. And today was one of those days like you don't feel like putting in the 100% of efforts of yours into the work, into the kind of work that you're doing, be it your professional work, personal work, or something like that. But sometimes in your life, you just want to relax, unwind, listen to good music, or maybe meditate for some time and something like that. And I think it was raining heavily outside, guys, today. So sometimes maybe even rain or the gloomy weather impacts your mood. I think it happens a lot to writers like me who are moody, and their mood impacts their writing or work style or productivity as well. And that gets impacted a lot of time because of the environment that we live in, or because of the interaction that we have with people, or maybe just you are not rightly stimulated as you need to be on an everyday basis. Sometimes you are understimulated, sometimes you're overstimulated uh, with everything that's going on in your environment. I think it was one of those days, and I think um, today's yapping session won't be that much long because I want to create some short video content pieces as well and see how it works, because clearly maybe my channel is also new, and maybe you all are habitual of watching me and my brother yap and talk together on a podcast. So maybe this new series of yapping sessions is new for you as well, or for the algorithm as well, to understand and circulate my videos out front in different avenues or circles of new audiences. But I'm still trying, and I'm not getting that much views on my yapping videos as of now, but I'm still going at it. I am still wishing to continue with these yapping sessions, because somehow these sessions are therapeutic to me, even if nobody's watching, even if only a few people of you are watching me. I still want to continue with these yapping sessions. I think that's what keeps me going, not just the validation of the audience, but the ability to speak in front of camera, and the ability to articulate my ideas even perfectly or astutely, minutely. They could be rambunctious or faulty even at some lines or paragraphs or whatever it is. I'm just rambling whatever is coming in my mind, and I think that's what is teaching me um not to give up, to keep showing. And such videos give me confidence, to talk about various subjects, to show myself unfiltered, like the unfiltered raw version of me. Even the tired me right now, I'm slightly drowsy, sleepy, tired, but I still wanted to make this video. I don't know. I felt like it. Like I just needed to continue the momentum that I am creating with these videos of yapping sessions. Because if not now, then when? Right? Some or the other day, I will be busy, and I'm still stressed about YouTube doubling up the watch hours like by next year. And I think I still have September, October, November, December, and a little bit of August left. So maybe mostly 4 months, right? So I have 4 months left to be more articulated, to be more spontaneous, bring back that spark in my content, my speaking skills, my thinking skills, the coordination that I have with my, head and mouth, to give you the kind of content like by next year that you will be surprised. And I might be surprised as well at my way of speaking and my way of narrating the content, and way of talking to the camera and you all. And maybe I will be more entertaining, more educational, because I feel I can be more educational to you all. I want to teach you a lot of new topics that I keep searching on daily basis because I love reading new articles, new studies, and I'm doing these test series on my own self related to how what kind of a decision maker I am, what kind of a billionaire mindset I have, what kind of a career path can I choose or should I choose according to my talent, my X factor, my North Star, or whatever you call it, my USP basically. So I'm filling those questionnaires, those doing those test series, and so certainly many results will be out there. And like, I'm trying to wrap those odd 500 2,000 questions about me and myself and my entire future journey that I'm looking at, or the kind of imagination that I'm building for the future I want to live. So yeah, if that's clear to me, if that diagnosis is complete, I can forward those questions to you all as well. If you're patient enough to sit with yourself in silence and complete those test series, you can also know what kind of a decision maker you are, what kind of a career you want to build, what kind of a millionaire billionaire you are. I think I talked about that in previous video as well, slightly. But yeah, I'm doing this exercise. So I think it was a tiring exercise because I answered like 50, 60 questions today. So it kind of takes a mental toll on you as well, because you are pouring something out of you from the deepest of your corners, which you usually don't tap into. So if you love self awareness exercises, personality exercises, archetype exercises, you would love these exercises as well. Sometime later, I might pin those questions in the description boxes below. If you do comment in those videos, if you are interested, I will be definitely sharing those questionnaires with you all. I think let's wrap up this session for today. And I will keep coming back to you guys with another yapping sessions. But for now, I think that's what keeps me going. The motivation to improve, the motivation to, step out of my comfort zone, to motivation to know myself even better than I knew myself before. Because when I am in front of camera, I am someone else, or I'm very much vulnerable because the camera is on and I'm speaking without a script or without preparation. I think that's what keeps me going for creating these kind of videos, because I want to improve my expressions, improve my dialogues, improve my narration skills, improve my storytelling, and improve my, spontaneous thinking. So yeah, that's about me for today, and I will keep coming back to you guys. Till then, keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep liking, keep sharing, and keep finding me on your YouTube channel, YouTube feed, and keep letting me know your stories as well, your experiences as well. I might share those on my yapping sessions. Good night.